Most circular saws sold online are overpriced hype with weak motors built to fail. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever felt overwhelmed choosing a saw that actually performs when you need it? This video will solve it with clear picks and hands-on testing. Today, I'm going to be going over the best circular saw that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the DEWALT DWE575SB. This incredibly portable tool weighs 8.8 pounds, making it comfortable to carry and use on long framing days. The durable aluminum smooth base provides rigidity and precise guidance, ensuring consistently accurate cuts on demanding job sites. An integrated electric brake halts the blade promptly after trigger release, dramatically boosting safety during repeated starts. Powered by a 15-amp motor, this compact saw maintains steady performance through tough applications without noticeable bogging. 57-degree bevel with stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees offers versatile bevel options. Depth of cut reaches 2 9/16 inches, expanding capacity for framing and cross-cutting tasks. A ball-bearing lower guard ensures long life in dusty environments by reducing friction during operation. The saw's overall balance and compact footprint contribute to reduced fatigue and improved control during precise cuts. The combination of lightweight, strong base, and robust motor makes it a versatile choice for both pros and ambitious DIYers. In field testing, the DWE575SB delivered clean, straight cuts through hardwood and plywood with consistent results. During extended sessions, its balanced weight distribution helped keep strain low while maintaining accurate guidance through each pass. Compared to the Makita XSS04, the DEWALT DWE575SB offers lighter weight while maintaining a competitive bevel range. The pros include lightweight design, electric brake for safety, and durable aluminum smooth base. The cons include corded power limits portability and limited depth of cut for very thick stock. At number 4, we have the DOVAMAN MCS01A. From the outset, this compact saw targets DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors seeking portability, blade versatility, and precision for diverse tasks. The build blends a robust metal base with a compact profile, delivering durable performance while staying comfortable to maneuver during extended sessions. This model ships with 6 blades that cover wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile, enabling quick material swaps for varied jobs. A built-in laser guide paired with an edge guide dramatically improves straightness and accuracy, reducing deviations across long cuts. The bevel system pivots from 0 to 45 degrees with a precise adjustment mechanism, while a generous base enhances stability. The depth-adjustable level allows accurate cross cuts up to 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees for frequent carpentry tasks. In practical testing, wood blade performance produced clean straight lines through pine and plywood with minimal drift under moderate feed pressure. Switching to tile and soft metal blades required careful technique, yet the setup maintained stable guidance and reduced scorching during cuts. An extra metal auxiliary handle can be mounted on either side, increasing control and reducing fatigue during extended rip cuts. Real-world tests confirm dependable performance across wood and plastic tasks, with consistent depth accuracy and stable tracking during lengthy sessions. For a fair comparison, consider the DEWALT compact model, which lacks the laser guide and 6-blade versatility that the DOVAMAN MCS01A provides. The pros include blade versatility with 6 blades, precise alignment from the laser guide, and remarkably stable handling thanks to the sturdy base. The cons include heavier weight for a compact saw and a higher price relative to basic models in some cases. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DWE575. From the outset, this DEWALT model feels purpose-built for professional carpenters and dedicated DIYers who demand accuracy without sacrificing maneuverability. Starting with build quality, the DEWALT unit feels robust yet surprisingly light, weighing 8.8 pounds for comfortable overhead work. The core is a compact 15-amp motor that sustains consistent torque through tough cuts, minimizing bog down and stalling. Bevel capability reaches 53 degrees with precise stops at 45 and 22.5, enabling accurate framing and trim work. Depth of cut capacity measures 2 9/16 inches, expanding versatility for rip cuts and through cuts on common sheet goods. The anti-snag ball-bearing lower guard delivers smooth operation and longer life, while tough cord design resists cord pull-outs under heavy use. Integrated dust blower function keeps the line of sight clear during cuts, improving accuracy in dusty job sites and enclosed spaces. Compared with a typical cordless circular saw, this corded model maintains steady power without battery drain and never trails on long runs. The pros include lightweight design, a powerful 15-amp motor, and a rugged anti-snag lower guard overall. The cons include a corded design that limits mobility and a slightly higher price relative to basic models. During testing, the DEWALT keeps a compact footprint for tight spaces and still delivers solid cutting performance overall. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution reduce fatigue during extended sessions, making it easy to maneuver in overhead and stairwell applications. Maintenance is straightforward with an accessible blade change, and this model accepts standard 7¼ blades found across saws. Overall, the DEWALT DWE575 offers a compelling blend of lightweight, robust power, precise bevels, and practical features for professionals. At number 2, we have the WORKPRO Mini Circular Saw. This compact cordless design targets DIYers and home project enthusiasts who crave portable power without sacrificing cutting performance on small to medium tasks. The kit is purpose-built for tight spaces and quick trims, delivering practical value for hobbyists tackling shelves, trim work, and framing. Despite its compact frame, the chassis feels sturdy thanks to a robust plastics housing and a comfortable rubberized handle. The ergonomic grip minimizes fatigue during extended sessions, while a switch lock prevents accidental starts and enhances on-site safety protocols. A potent motor delivers 4,500 RPM no load, empowering confident cuts through wood plastics and light metal with authority. Bevel and depth adjustments cover 0 to 45 degrees with a maximum reach of 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees. A dedicated laser guide aligns cuts precisely, while the included dust hose integrates with vacuums for cleaner workspaces and reduced cleanup. This kit includes a 4.0 amp-hour battery and a 2-amp fast charger that powers up swiftly between tasks. A dust extraction tube aids cleanup during operation, while the hex key and parallel guide improve precision and repeatable results. Compared to a popular DEWALT Atomic 20-volt cordless circular saw, the WORKPRO Mini offers lighter weight and better value. The pros include a lightweight design, a versatile blade kit, and a precise laser guide that enhances accuracy on various materials. The cons include a limited maximum depth that restricts certain thick materials and a price point higher than some budget saws. This kit ships with 3 blades, a dust extraction tube, a parallel guide, and a rugged storage bag for on-site transport. To maximize lifespan, regularly clean debris, inspect the blade guard, and store the unit with the battery removed when idle. For homeowners and hobbyists seeking portability and a well-rounded blade kit, this WORKPRO setup delivers dependable cutting performance and value. At number 1, we have the DOVAMAN MCS01A. This compact saw features a built-in laser guide and an edge guide to deliver straighter, more precise cuts across multiple materials. A sturdy metal auxiliary handle mounts on either side, and a large base guarantees stable cuts during ambitious projects. Bevel adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees in 2 simple steps, providing deeper cuts at 45 degrees. For 90-degree cross cuts, the depth adjustable level allows setting the maximum depth to 1 11/16 inches. For straight cross cuts at 90 degrees, the depth can be set to 1 11/16 inches with a dependable adjustable scale. In real-world testing, the laser alignment dramatically reduces cut drift and speeds up making accurate lines during demanding projects. The saw remains compact and relatively light, enabling agile maneuvering in tight corners and overhead work without sacrificing control. It includes a stable base and can be paired with the tile and metal blades to ensure clean, guarded cuts. One of the strongest selling points is the 6-blade configuration that covers wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile tasks. Compared with a typical compact competitor in this class, the DOVAMAN Max delivers greater blade versatility and a sturdier base. The pros include blade versatility, extreme stability, and pinpoint laser accuracy on job sites across materials, delivering dependable performance. The cons include higher price for many buyers and heavier weight during extended use on challenging job sites. The DOVAMAN Max excels in steady performance with a robust metal base and aggressive blade options that satisfy professional and DIY tasks. In summary, this model is a top pick for users needing multi-material blades, precise guides, and reliability from a compact power tool.